जैकबाबाद में बैन अल-अक़वामी यूएसएड का सिंध बेसिक एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम। जैकबाबाद में अमरीकी इदारे बराए बैन अल-अक़वामी यूएसएड का सिंध बेसिक एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम SPEP साल 2010 के सैलाब में तबाह होने वाले स्कूलों की तामीर नौ में मसरूफ़ अमल है और मौजूदा स्कूलों के इंतज़ाम यकजा करने और तरक्की देने के सिलसिले में हुकूमत सिंध की मुआवनत कर रही है। इस सिलसिले में जैकबाबाद के गांव आदिम खान पनहोर हाई स्कूल की नई तैयार शुदा स्कूल की इमारत का अमरीकी सफ़ीर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अपने वक्त के हमरा इफ्तिताह किया।
Honored to call him on the stage for his remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Donald Blum, U.S. Ambassador to Pakistan.
Secretary Dr. Shireen Mustafa, representatives of the Sindh government, students, teachers, parents and friends. Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of the government and the people of the United States of America, I am delighted to join you to celebrate the inauguration of Government High School Adam Khan Punwe.
Madam Secretary, I thank you. Government.
As you just heard, this is the 100th school constructed with the support of USAID's Sindh Basic Education Program. This program aims to improve access to quality public education by constructing 106 state-of-the-art schools in 10 districts of Sindh, including here in Jacobabad.
के हवाले सां जेको ॿारनि जी तालीमी सहूलतुनि जे हवाले सां या उनजे अंदरि तालीमी मयार जे हवाले सां कमु करे रहियो आहे, जंहिंमें 106 स्कूल आहिनि ऐं अॼु उन मां हिकिड़े स्कूल जो इफ़्तिताह अॼु पाण जैकबाबाद में करे रहिया आहियूं।
Were hit particularly hard by last year's devastating floods. This is my fourth trip to Sindh since the floods last year. Know that the United States is still here. We're still working to supporting your vision for progress and prosperity here. This facility represents the work we're doing in partnership with Sindh, not only to recover, but to build back better. It's more than a school. Thank you. It is a flood-resilient, safe haven for the community in times of need.
असांखे सपोर्ट कई, इलाही सारा मुतासिरीन इन्हनि स्कूलनि में शिफ्ट किया ऐं हीअ बि उन्हनि मां हिकिड़ो अगरि ख़ुदा न ख़ास्ता हिन क़िस्म जी सूरत हाल थी त हीअ बि स्कूल ईअं पाण खे सपोर्ट कंदो रहंदो.
It serves as a platform for parent and community engagement with their schools. And it comes with modern facilities like computer and science lab, a library, and new furniture. By 2024, the 106 schools we're building like this one will provide quality education to more than 80,000 boys and girls. And all of the schools that we build will be based on this model. Thank you. Thank you to the head teacher, fellow teachers, and students for your warm welcome and hospitality today. Acknowledge the Sindh Education Minister and Department of School Education and Literacy for your partnership, leadership, and dedication to improving access to quality education. जो ख़ास तौर ते शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां जिन असांखे क्वालिटी एजुकेशन ऐं हिन पार्टनरशिप में अॻिते वधाइण में हेल्प कयो आहे. To all who made this new facility possible, to the parents, to the students, congratulations. ऐं हिन जेको पाण सभु हासिल कयो आहे हिन ते तव्हां सभिनी कुझु. We can't wait to hear more about how you put this facility to good use for the benefit of the broader community here. असांखे इन ॻाल्हि जो इंतज़ारु रहंदो त असां तव्हांजी तरफ़ां इहा ॻाल्हि ॿुधूं त हीअ स्कूल कीअं अॻिते वञे पियो, कीअं कम्यूनिटी खे सपोर्ट पियो करे, कीअं ॿारनि जी बहितर तालीमी सिस्टम खे अॻिते खणे पियो. इन ॻाल्हि जो असांखे इंतज़ारु रहंदो त तव्हांजी तरफ़ां असांखे फीडबैक्स ईंदा रहनि. Thank you very much. तव्हां सभिनी जी महिरबानी.